The urban micro-loft.
The urban micro-loft tiny house is designed for city dwellers who crave efficiency and style. This tiny house maximizes vertical space with a loft design that provides a separate sleeping area, freeing up the main floor for living and dining. The modern industrial aesthetic features exposed beams, metal accents, and sleek finishes that give the space a contemporary edge. The interior is cleverly designed to make the most of every inch. The living area includes a comfortable sofa that can double as a guest bed, and the dining table can be folded away when not in use. The kitchen is compact yet fully equipped, with smart storage solutions that keep essentials organized and accessible. The loft bedroom offers a cozy retreat with built-in storage and minimalist decor. Large windows and high ceilings enhance the sense of space, making the urban micro-loft feel larger than it is. The exterior design is sleek and modern, often featuring a rooftop deck or balcony that provides outdoor living space without taking up additional ground area. The urban micro-loft is perfect for those who want to live efficiently in the heart of the city without sacrificing style or comfort.